breaking news this hour regarding the new COVID variant first seen in South Africa. 2 positive cases have been identified in Surrey in patients with no links to the country. Well, an urgent testing programme is now planned for the county. We can speak to our science correspondent, Thomas Moore, who has the details for us. So how were these cases discovered, Thomas? Do we know?
So it's almost certainly that they were picked up by chance. There is a regular sequencing of virus samples, and that's how they may well have been identified, because they had no link to South Africa, no recent travel history. And that is the concern, that there is community spread. Now, there have been 103 other cases of the South African variant, but they all had been to South Africa, or they lived with people, had contact with people who had. So there was a clear transmission pathway there. But they don't know for sure how these people acquired it. The fact that there is community transmission of this more concerning variant of the virus is why they are now arranging surge testing in 2 areas of Woking. That's Goldsworth Park and the St John's areas of Woking. They will be visited by public health teams who will put household testing kits, these are PCR kits, through the letterbox. Everybody in the house will be asked to do these tests, whether or not they have symptoms. So they've got a much better idea on how far this virus may have spread. They also say that there's a possibility that that will be extended to in Egham in the coming days. Now, both these towns are not far from Heathrow, 10, 15 miles or so. So it's in a very small area. It may well have ultimately a link from somebody who has been to South Africa, perhaps aircrew and so on, who, of course, live in that area. But that is not known. What they want to do, though, is shut down this virus. Now, it's no more severe. It may have some impact on the vaccine, though there's no clear evidence that the vaccines themselves will be completely ineffective. But, for example, Moderna, one of the vaccine manufacturers, has already said that it's testing out a new vaccine against the variant because it is concerned about what it has seen so far.